Keras Training warm_start. Is it possible to continue training a Keras estimator with all the hyperparameters, including decreasing learning rate, and weight saved from previous epochs, as one does in scikitlearn with the warm_start parameter? Something like this. Specifically, warm start should do this. Warm_start, bool, optional, default false when set to true. Reuse the solution of the previous call to fit as initialization, otherwise, just erase the previous solution. Is there anything like that in Keras?
Yes, it's possible, but rather cumbersome. You need to use train_on_batch function, which keeps all model parameters, also optimizer ones. This is cumbersome because you need to divide your dataset to batches on your own, and you are also losing the possibility to apply callbacks and to use automatic progbar. I hope that a new Keras version this option would be added to a fit method.
이도 유한테 75, 플리즈 다시다 섭스라이빙.